How to change your age on TikTok. As you can see, there is no option here. Click on this form and fill out this form. Select options that I am selecting. Submit form, and in 24 to 48 hours TikTok support change your age. Thanks for watching.